Welcome everyone to the channel Competitivepedia. Today we are going to discuss top 10 GK questions related MCQs which are specially designed for SSC and railway aspirants. Okay, and these are all previous year question. So if you are preparing for some other exam, this session will also be beneficial for you all. So let's begin the session. So our targeted audience are SSC aspirants, railway aspirants, aspirants of other state exams, state public service commission aspirants, or any other one day exam if you are preparing for. Okay, so let's begin. Here it is. First question: in which state was the Panchayati Raj first introduced? So the correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. Clear? So, Panchayati Raj was first introduced in Nagaur district of Rajasthan on 2nd October 1959. Now, Rajasthan CM is Ashok Gehlot, Rajasthan Governor is Kalraj Mishra, and the folk dance of Rajasthan is called Ghumar. Keep it in mind. Next question is, Arya Samaj was founded by? The correct answer is option D, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. So, it was a Hindu reform movement and this Arya Samaj was founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati on 7th of April 1875. Clear? Next is, what is the maximum number of members of the Rajya Sabha? So, maximum number of members of the Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is option C, 250. Now, Rajya Sabha is also known as Council of States and it is the upper house of the Parliament. The maximum number of members in Rajya Sabha is 250. The chairperson of Rajya Sabha is M. Venkaiah Naidu. Now, President nominate 12 members in the Rajya Sabha from the field of art, literature, science and social service. And one more important fact, please keep it in mind that Rajya Sabha is not subject to dissolution. Clear? Next question, Prithviraj Chauhan married the daughter of Jayachandra Gadwal. Her name was, so the correct answer is option D, Sanyukta. Her other name are as follows, Sanyogita, Sanjukta, Sanyukta or Samyukta. Okay, it can be asked in exam, so please keep it in mind. And Jayachand was the king of Kannauj. Now, the outermost layer of sun is known as, okay, so what is the outermost layer of sun? The correct answer is option B, corona. Clear? So, corona is the outermost layer of the sun's atmosphere. It is usually hidden by the bright light of the sun's surface. It is also known as sun's halo or crown. Okay, keep it in mind, it is also known as sun's halo or crown. Now, there are 4 outer layers of sun and they are as follows, corona, transition zone, chromosphere and photosphere. Among this, corona is the outermost layer. Clear? Corona is the outermost layer. Next question is, which is the longest part of alimentary canal? The other name of alimentary canal is digestive tract. Okay. So the answer of this question is option C, small intestine. Now, small intestine is the largest and the longest. Okay, keep in mind it is the largest as well as longest part of alimentary canal and it is divided in 3 parts. One is duodenum, which is she-shaped. Second is jejunum, which is a long coiled middle portion, and third is ileum, which is highly coiled. And the length of small intestine is 6 to 6.9 meter. Clear? Now, which mirror is used as a rear view mirror in the vehicles? Okay, the correct answer of this question is option C, convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles. So, convex mirror is a diverging mirror. So, it is used as a rear view mirror as it covers wide range of vehicles coming behind. It is the main reason. And one more important fact, keep in mind that all images formed by convex mirror are erect, virtual and diminished. It is very important. Next question, what is the pH value of blood? The correct answer is option B, 7.4. So, blood is slightly basic alkaline and its pH value lies from 7.35 to 7.45, and blood is a fluid connective tissue, and the function of blood is to transport oxygen and other nutrients within the body. Clear? Now, which of the following is not the allotrope of carbon? The correct answer is option D, methane. Graphite, diamond and Buckminster fullerene, these are the allotrope of carbon. Only methane is not the allotrope of carbon. So, here it is methane. Next question, the coding language which is used to create documents for use on the internet is, so that coding language is HTML. Correct answer is option B, HTML. And what is the full form of HTML? The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Clear? So guys, this was till the day. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe the channel Competitivepedia, share with your friends and families and groups. So keep learning and keep growing. Happy learning, Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. Thank you.